Hi guys, welcome back to Mommy's channel. So me and Mommy are gonna make some waffles and egg. So here's one plate for the egg so Mommy can make, and here's a fork.
This is what a real Saturday looks like in my house with a newborn, a toddler, and a preschool. It's loud, it's messy, and honestly, a little chaotic. But come along with me as I try to get through the day and somehow cook with this little helper. The day usually starts before I'm even ready. Someone is always hungry, someone is crying, and somebody else is already looking for my attention, looking for snacks in the morning. There is toys everywhere, and of course the baby needs me. Yes, this is our normal, and I'm learning to embrace it.
Now that's turned on. So now I'm gonna mix it. Now milk inside. Mommy, milk inside. Milk.
No,
This.
a little bit of pepper and black salt. This is part of the mess. Let me get the tissue paper. Oil. Put it on the front. Don't waste your hand.
Okay, first I have to rinse. That looks much better. So now, thank you. Mom, can I have a hug? Syrup? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, now that's going to be much better. Mommy. Hey, more welcome to my channel. It's everything. Hi. More syrup?
No more syrup?
I know what it's.
It's done. That one is done. I think I don't know if I still have a new one. It's up. We can. Since I'm done with the kids making their breakfast, so I decided to start boiling this meat because I'll be using it later today in the evening to make supper. So I just decided to do it now.
Where is 8? I'm gonna find it because I probably know where it is. Where is it? Where is it? Where did it go? Like, at 4. At 5. And 7 and 8. And 8. I'll say it first. And I'll say it. So now I did this forever.
Good job, Eliana.
0, 1. It's not 0. 1 plus is 1 equals 2. Mommy, I know how to 2. First you do 1 straight line, then like this. Okay. I easily now know how to make 3. It's like this. So, Mommy, I made 3. 1 plus 1 equals 7. So, I Mommy, it's not
What did you say?
It's not working with 7.
The 9 is not working. Put it like that. Yeah. No, the other way. Turn it around. Good job, like that. Good job. You did it.
We did it.
Yeah.
Mommy,
Okay. We said what's this?
1 plus 1, 2 equals 3.
This is 2.
Yeah,
Okay, what do you want me to do now?
4.
4.
And because I cannot make 4.
This is 4. You do 1 here. Like this. And cross it like this. Can you do it? Let me see.
Okay.
Draw 1. Like 1. Then go like this. Then cross it. Put one, then cross it. Put one like this, not like this. No, like from here. Put it down. Yeah. It's not showing. Put it again. Yeah, you see? That's 4.
Mommy, look at myself.
What's that?
Mom, for myself.
Yourself?
Now let me
Oh,
continue.
okay. That's beautiful.
Mom, do you have a problem?
2 plus 2 is what?
4.
4, okay. You want to write it 2?
So first you do
2?
straight through. Oh,
No,
please.
2.
That's what I'm making.
It's not working?
No.
We're gonna use, I think, good. Let's use the black. We're gonna write 2. 2. Write 2.
Oh, hey, that's around it. And the fish and an octopus and a crab and what else? And a big fish.
Which one is a seahorse?
This one, the yellow one.
Oh, okay.
The other yellow, this one.
Okay.
Because I don't think so if it's a seahorse. Come on, I said don't press it too much. Wow.
Want to do tummy time? No. She said no.
I said stop.
You guys are the one playing with it.
Wait.
That's for your sister.
Mom, look at the side. Mommy, look at that scary, silly crap. Mommy, is that the daddy seahorse? Mommy, I think that's the same.
But our high waist tight.
Oh.
What high waist?
Well, I want to sleep. It looks so cool. Mommy, can I make that one like this and this one? Can we all share this because this is even only one.
Share. What do you want to share?
Because me and the father don't have our own.
To do what? That's for babies. I don't understand you.
But you have to buy our own so we can play with it.
No, it's not for your age. It's for babies.
But I used to use it when I was a baby.
Are you a baby now? Are you still a baby? So why do you want your own?
I need a bigger size.
It's not about the size. These are for babies.
Oh.
Like she's not there, but you get it.
Because it's watery. Because you have water inside. It even looks like a jelly. It's really cool. And you have so many things. Actually, don't sleep on it. The water is not gonna come out. That's why I keep checking. Okay. I keep checking. So water cannot come.
No, the water is not gonna come out. I seal it properly.
Oh. But if you press it too hard, then it's not gonna come out. Mommy, this is a crap. Mommy, where did you brought this things from?
Which
to
thing?
Put in the water.
They came with it.
Huh?
They came with it. They came with it. Now it's supposed to be nap time, but let's be real, it did not always work out like that. One is sleeping, one is not, and the baby is on our own schedule. At this point, I just go with the flow. Having a newborn and little kid at the same time is no job. Just when I sat down to feed the baby, someone needs something else. It's exhausting, but it's also full of love in a way I cannot even explain. Meanwhile, I'm trying to catch my breath and keep the baby settled. Some days feel long, but I know these days will not last forever. So guys, this is how I spent my Saturday. I decided to bake later in the evening. No, except the parts that I'm not screaming or separating fights because of one random toys. They love fighting. Today was not perfect. It was messy, loud, and exhausting, but it was real. And honestly, I will not trade those moments for anything. Thank you so much for watching. Please do well to share my videos, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And I will see you guys in my next video.